Hi, welcome to Nicky's Veets. There is no such thing as a perfect presentation, but the difference twixt good and bad is enormous. You all know this. You've all sat in a presentation and seen an utterly disastrous one, and then occasionally you've seen a presentation that was phenomenal. Now, the person who gave the presentation that was phenomenal, if you asked them, was it the best one they've ever done, they would almost certainly tell you no. And that's because there's no such thing as a perfect presentation. It's different every time. You get some right, you don't get some right all of the time. You can have great presentations, but it could always have been that little bit better. And inside the presenter's head, there's always something she forgot to say, or she forgot to do, or she could have done better. Same for my comedy, right? There's no perfect set. Like, you can have a set in front of 200 people where they are laughing and, rolling in the aisles, and you still come off stage and go, but that gag didn't work, and I got the timing wrong in this gag, and it could be better here and it could be better there. So, to quote Collins, don't let perfect be the enemy of good. The difference between a good and bad is huge. Once you've got over the good, perfect is perhaps not something to shoot for. Thanks for watching. Bye.